Hi guys, it's Mateo, MBM VIP. Today we have some special guests down there. It's the Benny from Autokunst. He brings us the next car for the ceramic Versiegelung, for the ceramic coating, and the car, it's really amazing. Okay guys, so welcome by MBM VIP YouTube channel. Today we have special guest. It's Benny Rainfall from the Autokunst.
Hello.
And we get the Range Rover Velar SRT. SVT, yeah. Like special car, 550 PS horsepower, so big car. We're gonna make the ceramic Versiegelung for the full car, inside, outside.
Yes.
Like I showed, it's no damage on the car, so we don't need to make any correction, I guess.
Just clean it.
Just clean it.
It's dirty, especially the wheels are dirty.
Okay.
I think the rest of the roof. The roof is
like a window roof, yeah?
Yeah, it is. Fully window roof.
Okay.
Yeah, the back is dirty.
Okay, that's not a problem.
Yeah, the inside is more or less pretty new.
Wow, it's really nice car.
We have the ambilight inside, also in the back. Diamond stitching.
This leather is crazy.
And you have movable back seat.
It's like very luxury car.
Yes, it is. And the fast one.
And the fast one? Compare it to the F150?
No.
No chance, eh? Okay.
So
2 days, the car will be ready.
that's perfect.
Like I told you before, on Thursday morning we come to pick you up, yes?
Yes,
And then we come here, we pick up the car.
exactly.
So,
Thursday.
you know what to do.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much as well.
Okay, let's get back to the video. So, what I see now on the car, that where it's the paint on the gray color, it's not so bad, but on the black color, it's amazing how much damage is. And also the lights, I don't know the rims yet because they are very dirty, so first we need to clean him, and yeah, after cleaning I guess we need to control him one more time. The car is only about 4,000 kilometers, so it's not much, but it was on the abonnement, so it's kind of leasing, and right now Autokunst want to bring this car back to his glory. Okay, so right now we're gonna take him out, we're gonna wash him, decontaminate, and after we are back in the garage and we go next steps. Let's go.